The class named Java.lang.Math contains a large number of math functions that accept different kinds of numeric arguments. You need to be familiar with the class in general and some of the functions in specific. I have written a small program that will show you how some of these math functions work. The methods are all static in this class, which in effect makes them work like functions. You can use the functions anywhere in your code without creating an object first. Here's the output from the program. It's starting at the top. Probably the simplest of the methods in the class is the ABS, the absolute value method. If the number is positive, it just returns it. If the number is negative, it changes it to a positive and then returns it. And that's all it does. It returns a positive value for whatever number you give it. The name of this method is short for ceiling. You give the ceiling method any floating point number, and it will return the smallest whole number that's larger than the floating point number that you pass to it. The floor method is just the opposite. You give it a floating point number, and it returns the largest whole number smaller than the floating point number that you pass to it. The max method returns the larger of the two values you pass to it, and the min method returns the smaller of the two values you pass to it. The round method will return the closest whole number to the floating point number you pass to it. As you can see, the number in the middle, 0.5, is taken to be more than half and returns the larger of the two choices. Anything less than 0.5 will return the smaller value. These are the trigonometry methods. These methods will return the values of the sine, cosine, and tangent of any angle you give it. The angle is specified in radians, not in degrees, and there are a couple of other methods in the math class that can be used to convert between the two. A full circle is 2 pi radians. The value of pi is provided as a constant inside the math class. The square root method will return the square root of any positive floating point number. The number must be positive. You can't take the square root of a negative number. And the root returned from the method is the positive value, but there are actually two roots, one positive, one negative. The random method returns the value that is less than or equal to 0 and is less than 1. If you need a random number in another range, you just multiply the value you get from this one. There is no seed setting ability for the generator, but you will get different sets of numbers each time you run this program. If you need to do something special, like use a seed to generate the same set of random numbers over and over again, you should use the Java.lang random object. Actually, this method does create a Java.lang random object, but you don't have access to its controls. There are some other methods to the math class, and some of the ones I've shown you can be called with different types of values. And there is another class named strict math that has the same collection of methods as this one, but it's much stricter about the internal calculations. Use Java.lang.Math for efficiency, and use Java.lang strict math for higher accuracy.